Ní winan lécra na mí leis an Chanstar a bhain. Iníad do bhain felladóirí an Chontae, críomh ile éireann a bhaint eabhlaíonn iní a chéile, tá glún uair nua lécra eici.
Tí ceiliúra inis, éidirn cléirí siomraí am a Dublin, tá bella scáltach an céine cisiú, don tanna uair riamh, don tanna mína sa chéile, tá barak trú hippointeach, ag a Ian Murray agus fuirin últach sa na mí.
Son an wint for an fór, ní mór an Scéalta a chur, agus dibrí cidmhór daoine go ddígrasach agus go ddílis í North na Pella. Ina measc siúd bhí Joe Breen, faras condin an lochanna fear meanach.
I knew Joe for a long time. I played for Blackhall, I think, for about 25 years, all told. And Joe was involved with the ladies set up for all of that. Himself and another great club man, John May, would have established the ladies in around 1997, 98, so a couple of years after Blackhall itself was formed. And he was just a consistent presence, you know. He was always, I think, first through the gate for training and matches and last to leave as well. So, you know, he was a sociable guy. He loved to sing song and he loved a bit of crack. But I think probably one of the things that would stick with a lot of us is singing him into the room every time to the tune of Jolene, but with the lyrics changed to Joe Breen. I think he really enjoyed that and we got a lot of crack out of it too.